Good evening. This is the Epiphany Trading Markets Wrap-Up for Thursday, August 12th. The Dow today finished down 59 points at 10,320. Nasdaq was down 18 at 2190. Could have been a lot worse. Cisco's numbers came out last night very, very bad. Asia was down. Europe was down modestly, but was holding overall. Oil was down very, very sharply. Dow was off over 100 points again. Nasdaq was down 50 at one point almost, 45. Did come back. Closed somewhat near our highs on the Nasdaq, kind of in the middle of the range, the S&P. So volume was relatively light as well. So for tomorrow, probably have a bit of a rebound. It's going to be choppy, a very low volume, relatively slow session. There's really no reason to go out and buy anything other than short covering a little bit, and no major reason to sell. I believe, I'm going to glance over my notes, I think the CPI is out in the morning. There is an economic report out. So that should play a part in things tomorrow morning. It's out at 8:30. Retail sales as well. So things to look at on the positive side. ADSK and NVDA are trending higher in earnings. TRBN is being acquired by EBS for $4.55 a share, combination cash and stock. NFLX, POT, and LVS closed near their highs. CAGC closed near high after reporting good earnings, and MMYT closed near high. If you've never heard of it, it's because it really didn't exist till yesterday as a public entity. It was the best performing IPO in 3 years. On the negative side, CAVM closed near a low for Cisco's poor numbers, and JWN, BYI, DV, and TSTC are all trading lower in earnings. Earnings calendar in the morning as we wind up earnings season. Retailers are next week. Tomorrow it's just CTFO, which is a tiny Chinese company, and JCP. They wish all of you a good night and go trading tomorrow.